Court is calling 2025 CR 008264, State versus Cameron Waters. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
John Robertson for Mr. Waters.
And are you Mr. Waters?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This is the run concurrently with 2024 CR 007072. The state will take in consideration 2025 CC 004395. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge Cameron's got potential. He needs to go in a different direction. And we've had that discussion. We asked the court to follow the plea agreement and give him a chance to get this behind him.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 00702. Taking into consideration 2025 CC 004395. And there's to be no contact with Vincent Marquise Daniels. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
When I get like 25 and I finish my 10 months, am I allowed to sponge the charges so I can?
You mean receive an expunction? No. Legally, it's not allowed. Now, if the legislature ends up changing,
That's
oh, I'm sorry,
24-15,
that
yeah.
you have to take it to 15.
Okay, okay.
If the legislature changes things, then who knows? But for now, it's not expungable. Expungable. Yeah.
Fungible.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we're going to move on to 2024 CR 007072, State versus Cameron Waters. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cameron Leonard Waters, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 007072 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on August 6, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 1 on or about the 15th day of March 2025 in Texas. The defendant, Cameron Leron Waters, committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle or of a vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is the adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual office probation, sentence him to 10 months in the state jail facility to run concurrent with his previous plea.
That's our agreement.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. This will run concurrently with 2024 CR 00702. And the court, as previously stated, will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
18.
All right, you're 18. You had freedom. All you had to do was not commit offenses. So driving around in a stolen vehicle, was that worth time taken away from your life
No, ma'am.
in custody?
No, ma'am.
Well, why don't you recognize these things until you are before me and you're getting revoked and spending time in the state jail facility? And now you're worried about, can I get this taken off my record? No, that's something that you should have been worried about beforehand. Do you not have anyone in your life that shows you right from wrong?
I do.
All right, so, and who would that be?
My mom and my dad.
All right, so you have your mother and your father in your life trying to teach you right from wrong, and you just choose to do the wrong thing. Life is so easy, people make it difficult. This is just nonsense. And now you're going to the state jail facility. You're going to be locked up for 10 months at a minimum. I'm sorry, at a maximum 10 months. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you're sitting there thinking about getting your record expunged, realizing how hard life is now going to be for you, know that it's your fault. This is all 100% on you. It's 100% on you when you were placed on probation for another unauthorized use of a vehicle. And then you wouldn't act right. You wouldn't follow the rules. And then you have another one when you should have been in school. You should have been at a trade school or doing something to better yourself instead of running around with your friends, taking cars that don't belong to you. Good luck. Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes. All right, Amanda Ellis. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
So, counsel, did you have a chance to confer with the state?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So was an offer tendered today or no?
At the last setting.
All right. So are you asking for a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
Then what are we doing?
Can we come back tomorrow at 10 o'clock? She needs to drop off her child at school, and she can be here there.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this tomorrow for disposition, please, and put it at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You're welcome. Just wait till you receive the reset form. Yes. Paul Carpenter. Right. So, yes, where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, I conferred with the state as far as this PG one less than a gram, we were fine on discovery. But it's my understanding that he has at least one sealed burglary of a habitation and another burglary of a habitation pending. We're asking, in discussion with the state, we're asking for time to put a global offer together. Although our client does not want that. He wants some sort of offer on that one case, even though these other cases are pending. And he's told us that he doesn't want us on the case at all.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing with Your Honor.
All right.
I'm trying to get this taken care of, Your Honor.
Well, you have two burglaries of a habitation that your attorney hasn't had a chance to review.
My attorneys haven't even came to speak to me.
All right.
They don't show up to no meetings.
Let me ask you something. Did you speak with your attorney today?
This is not my attorney.
I am standing in for Rochelle.
Yes. So have you spoken to him?
Not about everything, no.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Recall this for tomorrow.
And I'm asking for a new attorney, or, I mean, I wonder
I
what's going
believe
on.
Rochelle has done visits and was informed he didn't want her on the case, and we have filed motions to withdraw it.
Oh, no, here's the thing. That's your attorney. If
In
you,
county court 12, they were gonna give me a new attorney because they weren't showing up when I was in the world, and she wasn't showing up to none of my court dates.
all right, I don't have anything to do with county court at number 12.
Okay.
This is the 187 District Court.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm recalling your case for tomorrow and your attorney will be here.
Okay, then,
All right, thank you.
thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0057770 State versus Christopher Consolato. All right, can I have the parties announced for the record?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Lauren Lupton for Mr. Consolato.
And are you Mr. Consolato?
Yes.
You're charged with criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2025 CC 011039. There's to be restitution of 6,700. Did y'all agree to the restitution?
We did
amount?
not, and if you see it says restitution hearing to be
All right.
determined.
So there's to be a restitution hearing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Judge.
And you understand that the most it appears that the state will be asking for is $6,709.70.
Yes, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, at least.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We asked you follow the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, how old are you?
Yes, boy, I'm 53.
Why are you throwing rocks at somebody's vehicle, like Ernest T. Bass? Why are you doing that?
Disrespectful to my mom. I know I shouldn't be doing it, but you know, it's a,
Wait a minute, was this your mother's vehicle?
no.
All right, so what about the disrespect to the complainant? Why you,
I know.
yes, why is he throwing rocks?
So unfortunately, the complainant is the defendant in a case against his mother. So
They're neighbors, Your Honor.
they're neighbors and unfortunately, it's just a complicated neighbor situation.
I mean, it's calmed down now.
Right, he understands
And
that
I
there
don't-
should be no contact and no communications. And he's committed to being successful in that.
Well, this is not Mr. Rogers' neighborhood, is it?
No, no, I'd like to go there though, if that's an option. I'll move.
All right, is this the only offense he's ever had?
No,
What's the previous?
he does have prior history. It's not, I don't want to misrepresent anything. I do think there has been a left in the past and some other misdemeanors. And then, yeah, obviously the case was arrested.
And where did you find rocks?
In my yard.
Okay. All right, court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Are you currently employed?
No.
How do you support yourself?
I get this disability check, but mom mostly helps me out.
He lives with his
Yeah.
80-something-year-old mother
Yeah.
and helps care for her.
And what's the nature of your disability?
I'm looking to find a job. This is my back, I have minor back problems, but I'm looking to find something to get back to employment.
All right, so I require people work when they're here. Unless you're 100% disabled, you're going to need to find employment. You understand?
Right.
So proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the MRT. Once he completes that, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There is to be taken in consideration 2025 CC 011039. Probation, anything else? All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Judge.
All right, with regards to his warrant, is that related to this case?
No, Your Honor, the warrant is related to the case that's being TIC'd. I don't know if the court would sign the dismissal or I need to. go back to
No, you'll have to go to county court number 9, and then county court 9, they'll be in charge of the warrant.
Okay, will y'all take it down to 9 then after? this?
All right. All right, good luck to you.
Okay, I'll follow up. with
You
9.
better.
Judge Boyd.
All
Yeah,
right,
thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Will I have to, will I be released?
You'll have to take it up with county court
I'm
at
gonna
law
work
number
on it.
9.
I'm gonna get the dismissals out of it.
All right.
You're gonna go with that, and I'll talk to you later, okay?
Will they release me?
Yes.
We're back on Matthew Garcia. I told us to approach once we had everything resolved, and I think we do have everything.
Okay. All right. So are you all in agreement?
We are in agreement with the first motion for waiving the GPS fees, Your Honor. We're also in agreement with the second motion, which is to allow for partial for school. However, he does not have a school schedule yet, so.
All right, so let me ask this. With regards to waiving the GPS fees, are you retained?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so you'll need to place something on the record to show that he's indigent and he can't afford the GPS fees.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm ready to do that.
All right, and then let me read the other motions before we go on the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 008995 State versus Matthew Garcia. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state, Your Honor. I apologize. May we step back for just 2 minutes?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sorry, Your Honor.
All right, just have a seat and I'll call you back up.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, you're welcome. All right, we're back on the record in 2025 CR 00899 State versus Matthew Garcia. If I could have parties reannounced, please.
Ashley Jones for the state.
Jasmine O'Gean for Mr. Garcia.
And you, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're going to take up your motions, one motion at a time. The first with regards to waiving or reducing of GPS monitoring fees. If you want to call your client as a witness, he'll need to prove indigency since you're retained.
Yes, Your Honor. Can I first proffer to the court the different bills that he has? Or do you want to hear it from
Any
him?
objections?
No objection to a proffer, Your Honor.
Judge, I don't want to enter this because it does have a lot of personal
Oh, let me
information.
just review it
Okay,
and see what's.
but this just the military information that and how much he receives.
Okay, and then what, I see the monthly amount he receives. Then what are the deductions?
Yes, Your Honor. The first deduction is going to be $1,000 for child support.
Okay,
And that is going to be garnished from his check, we believe sometime in September.
okay,
Because it was initially $300, but it is now increasing.
okay.
$1,200 for a mortgage payment, $370.
Just 1 second. So the $1,200 is for mortgage and then,
$370 for car payment,
okay,
$280 for an insurance of. the
just
car.
1 second. No problem. All right, and then what comes after the car payment?
The insurance for the car, which is $280.
Okay,
And then for a phone bill, $215.
okay,
$450 for water, light, and internet,
okay.
and then about $1,000 for food.
All righty.
And that will bring us to a total judge of $4,515, which would just leave over about $140 or so.
All right.
And then I can have Mr. Garcia confirm that if you'd like, Judge.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Matthew Garcia.
All right, your attorney has shown me the amount you received from Veterans Affairs. Is that correct? The amount?
Yes, Your Honor.
And your attorney has told the court the different bills that you have that are deducted from that amount every month. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, thank you. All right, the court will grant the motion to waive the GPS fees.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the next thing has to do with the contact and the person that he wants to have contact with, who is, according to this, is 14.
Yeah.
Yes,
Judge, we have amended the motion since we filed it, and now we are just requesting that instead of him allowing to have contact with the 14-year-old and for that 14-year-old to reside in the home, all we're requesting is for him to live in the home, and the 14-year-old is not going to be living there, will not be making any sort of visits, and he will not have any contact with the 14-year-old, which is not the complaining witness in this case, Judge.
okay,
And the state is in agreement with that. We have confirmed that the child will not be living or having contact with anyone in that home.
I'll say. Okay, so I don't have that amended, so I'll just write it in here
Okay, Judge, and
that.
this is also what we corrected. I don't know if you would like to write it, but thank you,
Yes.
Judge.
All right, and then the next is to allow him to attend school.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe the motion does ask for tracking, but we have agreed to partial for school purposes. My understanding is that the school schedule is not confirmed yet, so we would just ask that it be granted, but he remain on full house arrest until he provides a school schedule to pretrial services.
All right, so this is what the court will do. With regards to that motion, the court will follow the agreement and amend from full house arrest to partial for college only. And it's upon proof of enrollment in your class schedule. Is there anything else?
Yes, Your Honor, we have proof of enrollment, but he was waiting to enroll in the actual classes until the court made their ruling.
Okay,
So he just needs to provide that at pretrial.
yes.
Okay,
And if there's an issue, just let me know.
thank you for your time, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. And he already has a court date, correct?
Yes, sir.
I believe so, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.